When it comes to cutting through cardboard, Box Blade is in a league of its own. Designed for both precision and power, this tool transforms the task of slicing through tough cardboard into an effortless experience. Equipped with a high-torque motor, it delivers rapid vibrations that ensure each cut is smooth and accurate. The dual rechargeable batteries provide lasting power, enabling Box Blade to tackle even the thickest boxes without slowing down. The Fisto Kucha stands out as a revolutionary piece of furniture designed to integrate seamlessly into modern living spaces. With 12 cutting-edge features, this smart couch station is a game-changer for anyone looking to combine comfort, technology, and functionality. At the heart of this innovative design is the inclusion of essential home features. A built-in fan ensures air circulation, keeping you cool and comfortable no matter the season. The RGB light system lets you set the mood with customizable colors, whether you're relaxing or entertaining guests. Elevate your mobile workflow with a premium dual-screen setup designed for serious multitaskers. The JSaw FlipGo 2.5K dual-screen portable monitor transforms your laptop into a powerhouse of productivity, offering crystal-clear 12.5-inch high DPI IPS displays that magnetically attach and fold seamlessly around your laptop. Tucked neatly in a corner or rolled into place with ease, this compact top-load washing machine redefines efficiency in small living spaces. Whether you're in a tight apartment, an RV, or a dorm, it's built for adaptability without sacrificing performance. Measuring just 18.1 inches wide, 17.7 inches deep, and 31.5 inches tall, this washer fits where others can't. Yet it still packs a punch. Equipped with 5 wash programs, heavy, soft, normal, rapid, and soak, and 3 water level settings, it lets you control every cycle from start to finish. The amzn.to redefines audio immersion, combining cutting-edge technology with exceptional versatility. The headset's dual-flow audio enables users to listen to audio from 2 connected devices simultaneously, enhancing multitasking without missing a beat. For those short on time, a rapid 15-minute charge delivers up to 17 hours of gameplay, making it the perfect companion for long sessions. The Ruvati Dual Tier Pro 33-inch rounded corner workstation sink is an exceptional addition to modern kitchens, combining practicality with sleek design. This 2-tiered undermount sink is crafted from 16-gauge stainless steel, providing superior durability and resistance to wear. Its rounded corners add a sophisticated touch, allowing for easy cleaning while maintaining a refined look. The dual-tier system enhances functionality by offering versatile spaces for both preparation and cleaning, ensuring an organized workflow. Beneath a sky blanketed in darkness, clarity takes form through cutting-edge optics. The Yashica Vision isn't just a pair of night vision binoculars, it's a gateway to the unseen. Precision crafted to transform your night adventures, it delivers vivid 4K UHD full-color imagery, even when the light fades to near nothing. With a 3-level IR illuminator, it penetrates total blackness, revealing details up to 1,968 feet away. A versatile lighting solution for any job site or workspace, this cordless hybrid tripod stand light offers powerful, adjustable illumination in a compact design. Standing at 5 feet high, it can easily collapse down to a mere 22 inches for convenient storage and transport. Capable of delivering an impressive 2,700 lumens, it ensures that large areas are brightly lit, making it ideal for demanding projects or outdoor tasks that require ample lighting. Craving something cold and creamy without the weight or mess? The Dash My Mug ice cream maker delivers single-serve frozen desserts with precision and ease. After freezing the base for 24 hours, you can whip up ice cream, sorbet, gelato, or frozen yogurt in as little as 20 minutes. Just load your ingredients and press start. It's built for convenience and creativity, offering a dedicated ingredient chute that lets you stir in cookies, fruit, or chocolate chips to make each batch uniquely yours. The Spacetop G1 redefines the concept of portable computing, blending augmented reality with practical functionality. Unlike traditional laptops, the Spacetop G1 uses a pair of AR glasses linked to a minimalist keyboard and trackpad. These glasses create a virtual 100-inch screen that floats in the real world, eliminating the need for a physical display. This innovation lets users work without the restrictions of cramped spaces, making it ideal for travelers or those constantly on the go. The Async H7 e-bike stands as a top-tier option for those seeking versatility and performance. With a premium carbon fiber frame and handlebar, the Async H7 combines strength and lightweight construction, offering a sleek, geometrically balanced design that enhances both aesthetics and functionality. It features a powerful 960 watt-hour Samsung 21700 removable battery, capable of a maximum range of 50 miles with throttle alone and up to 100 miles with pedal assist. When creativity calls, the Artifon Corda answers with precision and power. This sleek, all-in-one instrument is more than a synth. It's a versatile tool that bridges the gap between tactile performance and digital production. With 12 ultra-responsive, touch-sensitive pads and a unique strummable bridge, it feels equally at home whether you're finger-drumming beats, playing melodies, or strumming chords like a guitar. Designed for musicians on the move, Corda features a built-in speaker and a 5-hour rechargeable battery, plus a 1/8-inch headphone jack for private sessions and a USB-C port for effortless integration with your DAW or favorite MIDI rig. The Ginkgo Beyond Portable Desk Fan is the perfect combination of function and elegance. The fan features a flat, ultra-thin base and a cylindrical stand crafted from sustainable natural wood, adding a touch of sophistication to your desk or bedside. Equipped with 5 blades, the fan operates quietly while providing powerful airflow, ensuring your space stays cool without any disruptive noise. When outdoor heat becomes relentless, a high-performance solution like this instant cooling vest is essential. Engineered with 2 high-speed fans, it delivers immediate airflow across your core, pushing hot air out and drawing cool relief in within seconds. Built for versatility, the vest features 3 precise cooling levels, letting you control your comfort whether you're working in the yard, hiking trails, or enduring a summer commute. Equipped with a robust 10,000 mAh power bank, it runs for hours without interruption. Power meets precision with the next evolution in workspace cleanliness. The Halo Modular Air Duster delivers professional-grade airflow at 90,000 RPM, easily dislodging dust from electronics, tools, and hard-to-reach corners without relying on disposable cans. Built for continuous performance, its unlimited runtime modular station ensures you're never caught mid-task without power. Just dock, swap, and keep going. Breaking barriers between languages requires more than just translation. It demands seamless interaction. The TimeKettle X1 AI Interpreter Hub delivers just that. Built as a standalone entity, this device operates independently without the need for external apps or smartphones. Engineered for professional use, it's equipped with 2-way simultaneous translator earbuds that enable natural conversations across languages in real time. Say goodbye to bulky water containers and messy vacuum bags. This revolutionary waterless one-stop sous vide cooker reinvents home cooking with an all-in-one sous vide cooker that simplifies gourmet preparation. Its dry cooking chamber uses a patented heating method that locks in juices and flavor while eliminating the need for circulating water. With adjustable temperature control accurate to 0.1 degrees Fahrenheit and a capacity that fits cuts up to 2 inches thick, steaks, fish, and vegetables reach tender perfection every time. Crafted for those who value precision and security, the Oh My Key offers a seamless blend of biometric innovation and personal control. This isn't just another access tool, it's a fingerprint-secured device built to match your pace, your privacy, and your priorities. With your fingerprint as the key, Oh My Key transforms your fingertip into your identity, giving you one personalized touchpoint for access to what matters most. Built on a foundation of biometric access, Oh My Key eliminates the need for traditional keys or vulnerable passwords. Samsung's latest innovation redefines how we interact with screens. The Premier 5 is a compact, ultra-short throw projector designed to create immersive, touch-enabled 100-inch displays from just 17 inches away. Whether angled toward a wall, table, or floor, it transforms any surface into a workspace, entertainment center, or gaming arena. Armed with an infrared laser module and camera, the Premier 5 transforms ordinary tables into giant interactive touchscreens. The DJI Mini 4 Pro stands out as an ideal choice for both beginner and experienced drone enthusiasts. With its lightweight build weighing just 0.549 pounds, it offers an impressive balance between portability and performance. This drone features a powerful 4K camera, enabling stunning high-definition aerial footage that meets the demands of creative professionals and hobbyists alike. The 34-minute flight time ensures ample opportunity to capture expansive views or complete intricate aerial tasks. The Davoom Backpack M is a unique fusion of style, functionality, and innovation, designed to cater to the needs of anime enthusiasts and motorcyclists alike. With its customizable LED screen, this backpack offers a perfect blend of practicality and creativity, allowing users to express themselves through personalized animations and messages. Whether for anime raves, bike rides, or simply making a statement, this feature adds a touch of individuality to the bag. Snowcap redefines cold plunge recovery with its cutting-edge, all-in-one water cooling lid. Built for athletes and wellness enthusiasts alike, Snowcap maintains a consistently chilled environment, dropping water temperatures to below 40 degrees Fahrenheit without relying on ice or external chillers. Its durable construction and quick installation make it ideal for daily use, offering precision temperature control that enhances every plunge. Whether you're targeting muscle recovery, mental clarity, or metabolic boosts. The Twin is more than a trash can. It's a perfect blend of practicality and sophisticated design. Engineered to complement modern living spaces, its sleek structure provides both functionality and style. The dual-compartment design allows you to separate waste effortlessly, keeping your kitchen organized and efficient. With its sturdy construction and user-friendly foot pedal, accessing each compartment is seamless, minimizing contact with trash and maintaining hygiene. Unlock seamless control with the cutting-edge CLVX1, a next-gen keyboard engineered for precision, speed, and adaptability. Built for the modern workflow, it fuses mechanical typing with intuitive gesture navigation. No more toggling between devices or modes. With smart, integrated tech, your fingers never need to leave the keyboard. The CLVX1 lets you work faster, cleaner, and smarter. Innovation meets nostalgia with the Ioneo Retro Mini PC AMO1S, a unique fusion of classic style and modern performance. Revealed through an online livestream, the AMO1S is the first mini PC featuring a flip secondary screen design, bringing the Ioneo remake concept to life in a compact, high-performing format. Engineered with retro aesthetics and cutting-edge functionality, the AMO1S stands out as a rare gem among high-performance mini PCs. In the fast-paced world of remote work, small devices can make a big difference. Meet Boop, a minimalistic 3-button controller designed specifically to give you quick access to your mic, camera, and screen share in virtual meetings. With Boop, fumbling with on-screen icons or shortcut keys is a thing of the past. Each button is tactile, intuitive, and dedicated. One press mutes or unmutes your mic, another toggles your camera, and the last handles screen sharing. No distractions, just direct control. Step into a new dimension of digital interaction with Roku AR Lite. Designed to merge convenience with cutting-edge spatial computing, these lightweight AR glasses pack serious capability into a sleek, travel-ready frame. With a 3 degrees of freedom system, Roku AR Lite tracks your head orientation with precision, offering immersive control without the bulk of external sensors. Run 3 apps simultaneously and effortlessly multitask. Even the most traditional bedroom can be transformed into a high-functioning space when this innovative side table enters the scene. Merging design with technology, this piece redefines what a nightstand should be. It includes a built-in cooling drawer, perfect for keeping drinks, snacks, or medication at the right temperature without leaving your bed. Whether placed beside your bed or your living room chair, the wireless charging pad on top keeps your phone powered without clutter. Bluetooth speakers are neatly integrated, offering immersive sound without requiring separate gear. Not every grinder fits a fast-paced, space-conscious lifestyle, but this one does. The XY Bottle electric coffee grinder redefines portability with a form factor that echoes elegance and utility. Standing 10.8 inches tall and only 2.7 inches in diameter, it's shaped like a slim wine bottle, effortlessly fitting into travel kits, kitchen drawers, or countertop corners. But its compact silhouette isn't just for looks. Equipped with a 200-watt high-torque motor, this grinder transforms whole beans into aromatic grounds in a matter of seconds. The Lemke L5HE is engineered to redefine your gaming experience, offering cutting-edge technology and performance. Its 8K Hz polling rate ensures ultra-responsive key presses, making every action in the game feel instantaneous. The 32 kHz scan rate allows for rapid detection of inputs, providing a seamless, lag-free interaction ideal for competitive gaming. Incorporating Hall effect switches, the keyboard delivers precision and durability. These switches are designed to last much longer than traditional mechanical ones. When you're chasing the perfect frame, adaptability matters. Snappy is the modular mobile gimbal that gives your smartphone the agility of a pro-level camera rig. Whether you're walking, panning, or pivoting through complex angles, Snappy keeps your shot fluid, stable, and strikingly cinematic. It's engineered to move with you, not against you. Switch from landscape to portrait in one smooth motion using Snappy's intuitive one-touch button. Designed for creators who move fast, this smart control ensures your framing stays flawless across all content formats. When your household runs on battery-powered devices, wasted time and energy sorting through half-charged cells can slow everything down. That's where the Olight OStation X steps in, built not just to charge batteries, but to redefine battery management altogether.